In this video, we are diving into an exciting topic, 5 SUV brands that are better than Audi. Is it worth paying Audi's sky-high maintenance costs? When these 5 brands offer more affordable options, why deal with Audi's poor fuel efficiency? When these 5 SUV brands can save you more at the pump, why pay a premium for Audi's luxury when you can get more for your money with these 5 brands? Whether you are a busy parent needing ample space for kids and gear, or a first-time buyer, the right SUV can enhance your experience on the road. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of your options and perhaps even find your next dream vehicle without wasting your hard-earned money. Let's get started. Number 5. Mazda. When it comes to blending style and performance, Mazda SUVs, particularly the CX-5, stand out in a crowded market. Mazda's design philosophy revolves around the concept of kodo, which translates to soul of motion. This approach results in vehicles that not only look stunning but also evoke a sense of excitement and dynamism. The sleek lines and bold stance of the CX-5 make it a head-turner, while its interior boasts high-quality materials and an intuitive layout that enhances the driving experience. But it's not just about looks. Mazda is committed to delivering an engaging driving experience. The CX-5 features precise steering and a well-tuned suspension that provides a sporty feel without sacrificing comfort. This balance makes it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety is another area where Mazda excels. The CX-5 comes equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies not only enhance your peace of mind, but also contribute to a safer driving experience for you and your passengers. Fuel efficiency is a significant consideration for many SUV buyers, and the CX-5 delivers impressive mileage without compromising performance. With its Sky-Active technology, Mazda has engineered a vehicle that maximizes fuel economy while still providing a spirited drive. Moreover, customer satisfaction ratings for Mazda are impressive. Owners frequently report high levels of reliability and performance, which translates into a strong resale value. This reliability is a crucial factor for many buyers, as it means fewer trips to the mechanic and more enjoyable ownership experience. Overall, the Mazda CX-5 offers exceptional value, combining style, performance, safety, and efficiency into one compelling package. If you're in the market for an SUV that checks all the boxes, Mazda is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Honda. When it comes to reliability and versatility, Honda has built a solid reputation, particularly with models like the CR-V. Known for its dependability, the CR-V has consistently ranked among the top choices for families and individuals alike. One of the standout features of the CR-V is its spacious interior, which comfortably accommodates passengers and offers ample legroom. Whether you are taking a road trip or running errands around town, the generous cargo capacity ensures you have plenty of room for all your gear, groceries, or sports equipment. In addition to its spaciousness, Honda vehicles, including the CR-V, are renowned for their strong resale value. This means that when it comes time to sell or trade in your vehicle, you can expect a better return on your investment compared to many competitors. This reliability not only reflects the quality of Honda's engineering, but also the brand's enduring popularity among consumers. Fuel efficiency is another standout feature of Honda SUVs. The CR-V, in particular, offers impressive miles per gallon, making it a cost-effective option for daily commutes and long road trips. Additionally, Honda has made strides in eco-friendly options, with hybrid variants available that provide even better fuel economy while reducing your carbon footprint. Safety is another area where Honda shines. The CR-V has received high safety ratings from organizations like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, equipped with advanced safety features such as Honda sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and lane keeping assist. The CR-V prioritizes the well-being of its occupants. Overall, the Honda CR-V exemplifies the brand's commitment to reliability and versatility. With its spacious interiors, strong resale value, and advanced safety features, it's no wonder that the CR-V remains a top contender in the SUV market. If you're looking for a dependable vehicle that meets a variety of needs, Honda is a brand you can trust. Number 3. Toyota. When it comes to dependability, Toyota has long been a trusted name in the automotive industry, and the RAV4 is a shining example of this reputation. Known for its longevity and reliability, the RAV4 consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction and is often praised for its ability to withstand the test of time. Many owners report driving their RAV4s well into the hundreds of thousands of miles, making it a smart investment for those seeking a vehicle that will last. In addition to the durability, Toyota SUVs are at the forefront of fuel efficiency, particularly with their advanced hybrid options. The RAV4 Hybrid, for example, offers impressive miles per gallon, allowing drivers to save on fuel costs while reducing the environmental impact. This commitment to eco-friendly technology not only appeals to environmentally conscious consumers, but also positions Toyota as a leader in the growing hybrid market. One of the standout features of the RAV4 is its hybrid option, which counts Toyota's renowned engineering with impressive fuel efficiency. The RAV4 Hybrid offers an eco-friendly alternative without sacrificing performance, allowing drivers to enjoy the benefits of an SUV while minimizing the carbon footprint. With excellent fuel economy ratings, the RAV4 Hybrid is perfect for those who want to save on gas while still enjoying the versatility of an SUV. Safety is another area where Toyota excels, and the RAV4 is no exception. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety technologies, the RAV4 includes features such as pre-collision systems, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. These innovations not only enhance the driving experience, but also provide peace of mind for you and your passengers. Overall, the Toyota RAV4 stands out as a dependable choice in the SUV market, with its reputation for longevity, hybrid options that promote fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features. It's clear why so many drivers turn to Toyota for their automotive needs. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile SUV, the RAV4 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Lexus. When it comes to the perfect blend of luxury and performance, Lexus SUVs, particularly the RX, set the standard. Lexus is renowned for its commitment to quality, and this is evident in the premium materials and craftsmanship found throughout the RX. From the moment you step inside, you are greeted with soft leather upholstery, meticulously crafted wood accents, and an overall attention to detail that elevates the driving experience. Every element is designed to provide a sense of opulence, making each journey feel special. In addition to its luxurious interior, the RX is equipped with advanced technology and comfort features that enhance both convenience and enjoyment. The intuitive infotainment system offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily access your favorite apps and music. Moreover, features like a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a premium sound system create an inviting atmosphere for both drivers and passengers. Lexus also boasts strong reliability ratings, which is a significant consideration for luxury vehicle buyers. The brand consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction and dependability, ensuring that your investment is protected over the long term. This reliability combined with the luxurious experience of driving a Lexus makes the RX an appealing choice for those who desire both performance and peace of mind. Moreover, Lexus is renowned for its commitment to customer service and satisfaction. The brand consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction surveys, reflecting its dedication to providing a top-notch ownership experience from the moment you walk into a dealership to the ongoing support you receive after your purchase. Lexus prioritizes your needs and strives to exceed your expectations. Overall, the Lexus RX exemplifies the brand's dedication to luxury and performance. With its premium materials, advanced technology, and strong reliability ratings, it's no wonder that Lexus remains a top contender in the luxury SUV market. If you are seeking a vehicle that offers both sophistication and driving excitement, the RX is an excellent option to consider. Number 1. Subaru. When it comes to adventure-ready vehicles, Subaru stands out, particularly with models like the Forester. Known for its exceptional all-wheel drive capability, the Forester is designed to tackle a variety of terrains, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're navigating snowy roads, muddy trails, or rocky paths, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides superior traction and stability, ensuring you can confidently explore the great outdoors. Subaru has built a strong reputation for safety and durability, which is a significant draw for many buyers. The Forester consistently receives high safety ratings from organizations like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, with features such as EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking. You can feel secure knowing that Subaru prioritizes your safety on every adventure. In addition to its impressive safety features, the Forester is engineered for off-road capabilities, making it an ideal companion for those who love to explore. With a high ground clearance and rugged design, it can handle rough trails and challenging conditions with ease. This adventure-ready spirit is complemented by a spacious interior, allowing you to pack all your gear for weekend getaways or cramping trips. Moreover, Subaru is committed to environmental sustainability, which resonates with eco-conscious consumers. Many Subaru models, including the Forester, are built with eco-friendly materials and are designed to minimize their carbon footprint. Overall, the Subaru Forester is the perfect adventure-ready SUV, combining all-wheel drive capability, safety, durability, and a commitment to sustainability. If you are looking for a vehicle that can keep up with your adventurous lifestyle, Subaru is a brand worth considering. After introducing these 5 SUV brands that are better than Audi, which one caught your attention? Comment below and share a reason why.